Now let's talk about how to divide rational expressions. Take a look at this this isn't an expression. Well, I mean, it kind of is. We're going to divide this. Now, remember, when you divide, there's a trick to it. Instead of doing this weird division thing, what you do is you take this, the dividend, and you flip it, okay? And just change it to a multiplication. So instead of dividing, you just do 6 over 8 times, and then flop them. 32 over 12. You just flop it, and then you're multiplying now. So there's really no need to do any of the division. And I'll let you kind of look into why that works that way. I'm not going to go into that right now, but it works. I promise you that. Okay, so let's take this right here, this one we want to simplify. Notice we're dividing this situation, and let's set it up so we're not dividing anymore. Let's flip it so we're not dividing. So I'm just going to rewrite this whole thing. It might take me an hour. Give me a second. Okay, so we got x minus 4 over x minus 2 squared, and then we're going to multiply it. Now when we do that, the x minus this right here goes on top, and this right here goes on bottom. Okay, so we got x squared minus 4 on top, and now on the bottom we have x squared minus 3x minus 4. There we go, all set and ready to go. So now it's just like multiplying. We got to get some common factors going here. Let's focus on each section. Here we got this one that's already factored. It's beautiful. Here's our green section. Look at how beautifully that is factored. X minus 2 squared, totally factored. Here we're going to go to the blue section right here. X minus 2 minus 4, or x squared minus 4. That's not factored. We got to factor that. Let's do that right up here. So we have, we'll make our little x thing. What goes in the bottom? Minus 4. Our b is not there, so it's 0. So what times what is minus 4? That adds, 2 and negative 2. That's what we got for that one. 2 times negative 2 is negative 4. Add those suckers together, we get 0. So when we factor it all together, we got x plus 2, and then we got x minus 2. There we go. That's pretty good, right? So that's the blue, and then let's do our purple section right here. Let's do that right down here. So we make our little x box, 360, 1, whatever you want to get. And then we got negative 4, we got negative 3 right there. What times what is negative 4? That adds together to be negative 3. I'm pretty sure that's 4 and 1, and the 4 is the negative 1. So we got x minus 4, and then we have x plus 1. Okay. So everything is factored. Let's rewrite this whole thing right here. I'll start with my x minus 4. Then we'll do my green. Remember, x minus 2 squared is, that's the same thing as x minus 2 times x minus 2. Just don't forget that, okay? And then we're going to do the blue section that we're multiplying. The blue section was x plus 2 right here times x minus 2. And then we got to do our final purple section that was right there. We'll put that in. We got x minus 4, x plus 1. Okay, now let's cancel anything we don't need, or anything that's like factors on top and bottom. Well, we got this x plus 4 cancels off with that x plus 4. So that's kind of nice, right? And we have this x plus 2 cancels off this x. No, there's no x plus 2. I can't cancel that one. But this x minus 2 cancels off that x minus 2, right? And I think that's it. That's the only thing. Those are the only two things we can do. So let's rewrite this. What we have is we have the x plus 2 on the top left over. So x plus 2. And on the bottom we have this x minus 2 right here. And we also have this x plus 1 right there. And there you go. There it is, simplified, ready to go. You could, if you wanted to, look at this bottom, you could multiply that through and try to distribute it and all that stuff, do the FOIL. But this is good. This is good enough. I'm happy with this, guys. So that is how you divide rational expressions.